What's the best way to make a dull wooden floor shiny? Dear friends, if your wooden floor looks dull and lifeless, don't worry. Bringing back its shine is easier than you think. You don't always need expensive products or professional help. With the right method, you can restore that rich, glossy finish at home. Start with a deep clean. Dust, dirt, and grime are the biggest reasons floors lose their shine. Sweep or vacuum thoroughly, then mop using a damp microfiber mop. Avoid excess water, as wood doesn't like moisture. Next, use a gentle cleaning solution. Mix warm water with a few drops of mild dish soap or a wood floor cleaner. This helps remove buildup without damaging the finish. Always wring out the mop well before use. Once the floor is clean, it's time to restore the shine. You can use a homemade solution like a mix of vinegar and water in small amounts, or apply a commercial wood floor polish. This step enhances the natural glow of the wood. Buffing is the secret step many people skip. Use a soft cloth or a dry mop to gently buff the surface. This evens out the polish and brings out a smooth shine. For long-term results, place rugs in high-traffic areas and clean regularly. Avoid harsh chemicals and dragging furniture. With consistent care, your wooden floor can stay shiny, elegant, and beautiful for years. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.